Planning a trip with Halia Tours. Let's talk about how they make sure you're safe and comfy.
Yeah, when you're traveling, you want to feel cared for, right? Here's how they give you that peace of mind.
A great trip actually starts before you even get here. A little planning goes a long way. Just give them a heads up about any health needs. It helps them tailor the tour just for you. Hawaii's climate is amazing, but you gotta be ready. Being prepared means you'll have a much better time. But what if you feel sick right before your tour? Hey, it happens. The key is just communication. So just call them as soon as you can. It helps keep things safe for everyone involved. And if you get sick during the tour, don't worry, your guide's got your back. Here's how. Remember, the tour is flexible. Your guide will work with you to find the safest, most comfortable solution. You'll be riding in comfort too. They keep their vehicles super clean for every single guest. A great experience is really a shared effort. It's how we protect visitors and the local communities.
These simple things make a huge difference. It helps keep Hawaii beautiful and healthy for everyone to enjoy.
So while guides help with first aid, you're responsible for your own personal medical needs and medications. At the end of the day, this is all about one thing: letting you relax and make amazing memories.